Okay. So welcome back. Yes. So we were talking about the Montessori addition chart. Yes, we need to provide these addition charts whenever you want to give them as practice, when you want them to memorize the addition facts, when you're doing revisions in your classes. If you don't want to give any visual aids, you can randomly ask children, what is 5 plus 5? 10. 6 plus 6, 12. 7 plus 7, 14. 8 plus 8, 16. So it helps the children to memorize it. Okay, so this is considered to be as rather than doing a finger counts, how slowly you are putting children into transition to mental addition without any visual aids. So this is where you can actually build fluency in math addition. Okay, so this helps us to actually work. So you can start this by UKG or even LKGs also you can actually give them. And for teachers who do not have this material, yes, you have resources available, and I have given you this chart so you can download this. You can keep this in your classes, and you can help your children to learn through the DIY cards and do an addition table. And this is the preparation that you will be doing. If you don't have it, please make an addition table, and using all these three supportive materials, that is your addition charts with your strips, strip boards, and the problem statements, you should be able to encourage children to perform addition. Okay, so it's a visual tool. All this combined together helps us to work on addition strip board exercise. Easy, everyone? Yes.
Yes.
Now let's see how do we do it practically in our classes. Okay, so here is what we actually done about it. Okay, so I want to give you addition strip board and Montessori. How do we do that? Okay, so what is the first thing that you guys need to have it? Now come on, recall. What is the first thing that you need to have it? What is the first thing that you need to have?
Addition strip board.
Correct. You need to have your addition strip board, and at the same time, you got to have your addition strips. Correct? So let's keep all of them together. So let me pick the addition strip board. So the choice of this thing is correct. The choice of the board is correct. So we have chosen the right one. Now what you need to do, you need to collect the strips. So let's start collecting the strips of blue color, which has from numbers from 1 to 9. Arrange all of them in sequence, the blue towards your left side and the red towards your right side, starting from the largest number to the smallest number. Always remember, the smallest number is always towards the children. Okay, so we arrange the red strips on the other side in sequence. Once this is arranged, what is the next thing that we do? We have to pick up the problem statements, correct? Now to show the answers, I can also pick up a ring. Now what let's do number 1 plus what makes the number 10? 1 plus 9 makes number 10. 2 plus 8 can make number 10. 3 plus 7 can make number 10. So what we did earlier, what makes number 12, right? So we made that table, but now we are making what makes the number 10. So this helps my children to go on the visual learning of what makes a 10. So this can also be your first exercise, which helps me to work on easily. Now what I can do, I can give randomly. Like what is 1 plus 1? It is 2. What is 1 plus 2? It is 3. So we are doing table now. 1 plus 3, it is 4. So you can work on the table also. So go continuously until what makes your 1 plus 10. So similarly, now you give random ones. What is your 6 plus 4? Always remember the first addend is color blue. The second addend is your color red. Use the ring to know the answers. So this is how we use this material. A 0 means nothing, so I don't keep anything. Plus 5, I can give this. So I can also have a combination of 0 in my problem statements also. Now keep it safely for the other students to write the are the answers. So this is your addition strip board. Clear? Now the next material, what you have in your book is called the control charts. This is little trickier, but we will do that charts also. It's called the addition charts 3 to 6. They call the addition charts 3 to 6. Is everybody with me? Yeah. So what are addition charts? Note down the next one. It's called the addition chart 3 to 6. This is again going to help our children to build on the fluency in arithmetic. Okay. So here we go. And these are all the charts that I have. These are all the charts that we will have to be using in this particular lesson. The first chart is called the addition chart 3. Okay. Now, did you notice the numbers, what it has been written here? You have the numbers from 0 to 9 on the blue color on the top, 0 to 9 vertically down, and then you have the summation of numbers. So the maximum add-in, what we use in our addition chart is 18. Again, in this chart also, the maximum number that you can see is 18 here. Correct? 18. Correct. So this is our control chart. So this comes with this references itself. Now what children are supposed to do is, whenever you're giving them a problem, they're going to glide their fingers and find the answers. The first number in the addition board used to be blue color. Yes. Now here, the first add-in, your hand where you keep is going to be on the red color. It's ulta now. Okay. On the chart, you keep your first finger on the red, the second finger on the blue, and then you glide together wherever it intersects. That's the answer. Now say, suppose if my problem statement was 8 plus 7. Where should be my first finger? On the number 8. Where should be my second finger? On the number 7. Now glide through. 8 is also coming towards left. 7 is coming down. They both intersect at the number 15, right? So my answer for 8 plus 7 is 15. So do another one, like say 5 plus 3. I put my first finger on 5. I put my second finger on 3. When I'm gliding them together, I get the answer 8. Sometimes in exams, they won't give you this number filled in. They will say, perform a simple addition of 5 plus 3 using the previous material, that is addition strip board, and along with that, display the results using addition chart 3. When they mention specifically addition chart 3, this is the chart you have to take. Okay. Okay, this is addition chart 3. All the charts will be like this. There are many charts. The first one which I showed you, which had numbers from all the tables. Can you see the big chart which is behind here? 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to the bigger one. Those are reference charts. It says reference. The first one over here, the small squared one, is called the control chart 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see the small squared charts here? 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are all the 4 ones. So the first one which is filled in is chart 3. The third one is chart 4. The fourth one is chart 5. The second one is chart 6. Okay. Now let's see. This is our chart 3. Now we have to do a simple addition. Now this is your chart 4. Okay. So you can also do a similar, addition using chart 4 in the same way. And you can also do, now say suppose if you give me a problem of 8 plus 4. Now you don't have a blue color to put your finger, right? So what you do here, when you get a problem of 8 plus 4, listen carefully. When you have to choose the slip of 8 plus 4, you first take your first finger, index finger, that is your left index finger, and you place it on the number 8. Then you take the right one, which you used to keep it on the blue color. Now you're keeping it on number 4. Now glide them together. The number 8 is going to 12. Number 4 was going to 8. Now where do they intersect? At number 12. So that becomes your answer. So both of them went on top, but they are still not intersecting. To make them intersect, I have to get them down. So it is intersecting at number 12. So that becomes your chart 4. So chart 4, we usually don't give it for younger children because it is little confusing for them. We only give up to UKG is chart 3. Going forward for grade 1 and other things, we can give them the blank chart 4. Even for older children, once they start knowing the sequential addition, after they have strengthened their ability to recall the numbers, you give them chart 5. Now, do you see in chart 5, most of the other numbers are also blank? In chart 4, we had it filled. But in chart 5, we don't have it filled. We only have the last numbers being there. Now, here, you will have to move so many times up and down. Okay, so many times you got to do up and down. Let's see this. Number 6 plus 2. Go through it easily. So we have to do number 6 plus 2. So where should be my first finger? Left finger? On?
On red.
On what? Yeah, red color.
Red.
Correct.
Red.
Yes. So I will put my left index finger on my number 6. Now where should I put my right index finger? On?
2.
Number 2. Now can I slide my finger? Yes. So I will slide my finger 6. So 6 can go till where? 6 can go till
12.
maximum
12.
till 12. Where can my number 2 go maximum?
4, ma'am.
4. Okay, next again. Can my 6 go to the other number up? Now we have to go up, down, up, down. 6 will go to the left. Okay, so it will go to 11. My 2 will come down to 5. My 6 will go up to 10. My 2 will go to the right 6. Then 9. Then 7. Then both of them are intersecting at 8. You got it, Anita? So once we reach the maximum, this number will go to the other numbers on the top. Okay, so it's like 12, then 11, then 10, then 9. That will go for 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. And both of them are waiting. One is waiting at 7, one is waiting at 9. Now, where do they intersect? It is at 8. So, this is how we got to do in our chart 5. So, this is called a randomized blank chart. Sometimes they don't even mention the name as chart 5.
Okay.
They might also ask you using a randomized blank chart from the addition of 6 plus 2. You should not get confused. So your blank chart 5 is called a randomized blank chart. Okay. So this is one thing that you can actually use it for. And the last one is again a randomized blank chart 6, where nothing has been written on it. But along with this, you will also have numbers. Okay. So it's again a control chart. We're going to be using numbers addition from 1 to 9, but nothing is being printed on that. So what we do here is it comes with another box wherein you will have numbers. Okay. The numbers will be this way. So what is the first step that you will do is you will make this pyramid kind of a formation either from top to bottom or bottom to top. This is the first step. Everybody is with me? You will first have to arrange the numbers in the same fashion. 2, 3. See, the first number starts from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How it is 2? 1 plus 1 from the chart. So that was your 2. So you arrange that in the pyramid format. Now you perform your addition. 2 plus 3 is what? Just glide your fingers. 2 plus 3 is 5. Pick any number 5 from that and put it here. Okay. If I show you the video, you will be able to understand. So all these are my charts that we use in our classes to reinforce addition. Blank chart, sorry, addition chart 3, addition chart 4, addition chart 5, and addition chart 6. Addition chart 6 also comes with a box wherein you will have all these number cards. And the rule for this is like you will arrange that in a pyramid format in the same order. Okay? Okay? Yes? Now let's see the quick. Let's see how do we work on these exercises. Okay? So that covers your all the 4 charts. Okay? So how beautiful this material is, right? So addition
That's
charts.
why it's called 3 to 6.
Yeah, 3 to 6.
I'm
3, 4,
thinking
5,
what
6.
why it's wrote addition charts 3 to 6 only.
I didn't get you. Okay, you were thinking why it is only that, no?
No, only 3 to 6 why written there. Why any another number it's not there. Only 3 to 6.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay, that way. Okay, got it. Okay, fine. Let's see our quick video on all of that. Now, before we start with this presentation of this, you need to keep all these materials handy. Now, I want everybody to be a little quiet. I'm muting all of you because this chart's a little trickier. You got to have a hands-on, okay? So what you do here is like you either go to the shelf, pick up a large mat and spread all these charts on the mat. Table, I wouldn't advise, go and sit on the floor. So what is the first one that you have, a larger rectangular one? It is a reference chart, which is a table chart right from addition table of 1 to 9. Then you have another one wherein we have skipped certain things and then we have filled in. That's the second chart that you have for reference. This is only for reference. Now, underneath that, you will arrange your chart 3, chart 4, chart 5, chart 6. If they don't mention using what chart to perform a given addition, I would request all of you to keep all those charts and then ask your invigilator only which one can I use it. Okay, you have to keep all the 4 of it and then you can perform the addition. Now, what do we do first is the first one, correct? So, as a teacher, initially I would introduce my reference tabular charts. Then I would go with the other one so the children will understand the skip counted one from the equal added numbers. Now I will go with my first one. So what is this? As soon as I give you this chart, what is the name of this chart? 3, 4, 5, 6. What is it?
3, ma'am.
3, ma'am.
3. Very good. So, and it has everything filled in? Definitely yes. So the top one is what color? Blue or red?
Blue.
Blue. The bottom one is?
Red.
Bottom
Red.
row is red. Now, if I'm giving the problem statement 6 plus 5, 6 is red color or blue color?
Blue color.
Blue color.
Blue.
6, 6, 6. Addition strips, it is blue. In the
Blue.
chart, your finger has to be on red. This is what I told you. This is the difference.
Yes.
Anita, in
Red.
addition strip board, the first addend is blue. In addition cards, sorry, the charts, the first addend, your finger has to be, your left index finger has to be on the red color.
Red.
Then the right,
Red.
the next number on the blue color. And then you're going to slide it down. Okay, so let's begin by the problem statement. Okay, so you can have your left one is on 4 and the right one is on 2. So you have your number 6. 4 plus 2 is your number 6. So likewise, you can take 5 plus 6 is your 12. Your left index is always on your red color. Now this is what chart? 3, 4, 5.
4.
4.
5.
4.
4 number.
4.
4, ma'am.
Yes,
Four.
4 number. Now say,
Four
suppose if I have my number 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5. 1 can reach maximum to 2. What about my 5? It is reaching maximum to 10. Then I slide down, slide down, slide down, slide down. Where is it intersecting? At number 6. Got it? So you have to go to the maximum space that it can slide. Then the bottom number will go up. The top number would come down. And wherever we are intersecting, we are going to see that number as the answer. Okay? So let's do one more time. It's 1 plus 6. 1 can go maximum to 2. 6 can go maximum to
12.
12.
12.
So one
12.
now 1 will come where?
12.
1 will come where?
Down. Down. Down.
1 can come to
Four.
3 and then to 4.
4.
Okay, or
Four.
it can go directly to 4. My 12 will go where?
Okay. 8.
12 will go to 10. Okay,
Okay.
they're going together
10
and then they are
after 8.
intersecting to number 7. So that was my blind chart 4. Now what is the next one? It is my blind chart 5. Now see, we have only the last 2 digits being filled up there. Now you take 2 plus 6. 2 is reaching maximum there, 12. So you go up, then you intersecting, the number goes as number 8. Let's do one more, 1 plus 6. Reach the final number, going down, going up, going down, going up. And where is it intersecting? At number 7.
7.
Lakshmi, samajh mein aa raha hai? Yes. And this is the last one I said. This is our chart 6. So in this chart 6, you will also have those tiny number cards and you have to arrange them in the pyramid format, which I showed you, either the top down or bottom up. Then you have to pick the problem statements. So 8 plus 1. So you have your 8 plus 1. So that's your 8 and your left index finger is 1. It's intersecting there. So you know the answer. It is 9. By now, children should know the answers. 8 plus 1 is 9. Because this is the last stage. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now I can take another problem statement. What's my other one? So 6 plus 7. So my right index is on blue. My left index is on red. 6 plus 7. What is it? It is 13. So I know the number. It is 13. So I only fill up this answer. So 6 plus 7 is 13. Okay. Now let's take another one. Or you can try to do it with all of those materials. Okay. So that helps us back to return back once you have completed as many number of times, return back all the materials into the shelves. So this will cover our addition
Chart
charts
3 to
and
6.
simple addition using the addition charts. Easy? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what happens is like, do I have worksheets? Do we have anything to support with that? Definitely yes. We have a lot of worksheets to support for children. If at all, if you don't have those materials, you can download them. Okay. If somebody needs those material, you can just text me in the group. I will forward those files. You can download them and keep it and use it. You can print it and still make a DIY material for your classes. So that's for today's lesson. Any doubts? So what are the materials that we learned for today? We started with subtraction snake game. We did a revision of addition snake game. Then
Addition strip board.
subtraction
Addition
snake
strip board
game.
and control chart.
Addition strip
Strip
Addition
board
chart
and the
3 to
control charts.
control chart.
How many control charts?
And
4 control charts. So all together, 4 control charts, addition strip board, subtraction, snake game. So we have done 6 exercises. Try to complete writing notes for all the 6 exercises. If possible, try to take a print, give the problem statements and solve on your sheets. That is going to give us a visual application of this is how we solved it. If you don't solve it, it becomes very difficult for you to understand. So please solve it. Okay. So I'll also share the recording of this video. So it will help you to reinforce. And I'll also give you the printables. If you don't want to have a print, if you're really good in drawing, please draw and mark it. And wherever there is an application of blue and red color indications, please make it the same way. Okay. So that helps us for the reinforcement. So that's it, guys, for today. And I wish you all a very happy Deepavali and Dhanteras for today. And many of you are celebrating this festival. May this Deepavali bring a lot of prosperity into your life and a lot of good health and happiness. Okay. So thank you. Stay safe. Don't burst crackers. Light up a lot of diyas. Sparkle somebody's heart filled with love and affection. Yeah. So this is what we least expect from each one of you. Spread the joy of the festival by warmth. Make a lot of sweets. Be a little health conscious. Don't eat too much. Stay safe. Yeah. All right. Take care, everyone. I will see you again on Tuesday Okay, until then, have a safe weekend. Bye-bye. Take care.
Happy
Thank you,
Diwali,
ma'am.
Thank
ma'am.
Thank
you.
you, ma'am. Happy
Happy
Diwali. Same to you,
Deepavali to
ma'am.
all of
Happy
you.
Diwali,
Bye,
ma'am.
guys.
Happy
Thank you very much. Do
Bye-bye.
share your photos, huh? Nicely dress up and do share a message to your friends. This is the time that we always do dressing up. Amina, Leena, I saw your pictures. You all look so good. Yeah, you look so bright in your sarees. Yeah, very nice. I saw your pictures. Lovely,
Thank
lovely.
you.
Bye,
Thank you.
guys. Yeah, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.